In today's video, I'll show you how to remove or customize the footer in your Zoho invoice for a cleaner, more professional look. Start by logging into your Zoho invoice account and navigating to Settings. Then PDF Templates. Click on the Invoices tab and select the template you want to edit. Hit the Edit button to open the template editor. In the editor, look at the left menu and find Header and Footer, then select Footer. Here, you can adjust fonts, colors, notes, terms, or signature fields. To remove the footer entirely, click the gear icon to customize your footer content and simply leave the text field blank. This ensures no footer appears when your invoices are printed or sent. You can also explore adding a background image or tweaking page numbers if needed, but leaving the footer content blank gives you a clean, streamlined design. And that's it! With these steps, your invoices can have a simple, professional look with no footer. Thanks for watching and happy invoicing!